Okay. Many noteworthy books were written during this period. Abdul Fazl wrote N.A. Akbari and Akbarnama. N.A. Akbari gives a detail of Indian customs, manners, religion, philosophy, economic condition and almost every aspect of life. So many noteworthy books were written at the time of Akbar. Akbar gave lot of importance to literature and development of language, and during his time there was a very famous author whose name was Abdul Fazl. Okay, you have to remember this. He wrote two very important books. First was N.A. Akbari and second was Akbarnama. જે N.A. Akbari છે ને, it talks about the religion, customs, tradition, life of the people, political life, economic life of the people during the time of Akbar's rule. And it is said to be believed કે જે ભી અબ્દુલ ફઝલે લખ્યું છે ને એ સાચું લખ્યું છે. You know, at that point of time we had rulers who would accept કે okay, you know, આ મેં ખોટું કર્યું છે ને આ મેં સાચું કર્યું છે, અને historians લખતા બી કે આ કિંગે આ રૂલ કાઢ્યો, it's a wrong rule and everything they used to write. Okay, so it is a very good in history, the book of N.A. Akbari. Abdul Fazl's brother Faizi was a great Persian poet and translated many Sanskrit works into Persian. So Abdul Fazl નો એક ભાઈ હતો, એનું નામ હતું ફૈઝી, and he translated mainly Sanskrit work into Persian work. Akbar also established an independent department. Okay, Akbar ने एक independent department જ હતું, which was a language department which focused on translating Sanskrit works into Persian works. Okay, many great works like Mahabharat, Ramayana, Atharved, Bhagavad Gita, Panchtantra, all these works were translated from Sanskrit to Persian. One of the most significant development during the medieval period was the birth of Urdu language. This language was soon developed into one of the richest modern Indian languages. It produced great poets like Wali, Mir Dard, Mir Taqi, Mir Nazir, Akbar Abadi, Abdul Akam, Ghalib Iqbal and others. So during the time of the Mughal period, one of the language that developed during that was Urdu. Urdu developed a lot at the time of Akbar, at the time of the Mughal rule. Okay, and Urdu is one of the language which is even used till today to write poems. Okay, lot of people write in Urdu language. Okay, and the name of the poets are given over there. Try to remember as many as you can. Urdu prose also developed in the early 18th century, where the translation of the most historical works from Sanskrit into Urdu began. So Urdu language developed in the 18th century, and lot of work from Sanskrit were converted into Urdu language. At the same time, original prose work in Urdu was also written. So original Urdu works was also there, and translation also took place in Urdu language. Muhammad Hussain Azad's Darbar-e Akbari is one of the best work in Urdu language.